Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for this video today I'll be making a banana cake, also known as a banana loaf. Okay, so for this recipe you need 140 grams of softened butter, 140 grams of caster sugar, 3 large eggs, 140 grams of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 very ripe bananas, icing sugar, and a packet of dried banana chips for the decorating. So what I'm doing now is beating the eggs first. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is cream the butter and the sugar like so together. When it's a fluffy consistency, I'm going to add the 2 beaten large eggs. Adding it very gradually. Okay, like so. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mash these 2 ripe bananas and okay, you need to do this until you have a yucky baby food consistency. One thing I forgot to do is add some flour as well as the beaten eggs, but I've done it now. Gotta hope for the best. And okay, once it's mashed up, the bananas, what you need to do is the rest of the flour you fold in and stir with the banana mash. And also add the 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now put the flour and mashed banana mix in with the rest of the mixture, and I'm now going to mix them together in the blender now. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the mixture into a loaf container. covered with greaseproof paper. Okay, and when you're looking at it, you've got to make sure that little droplets are not sinking into the mixture when you're looking at the mixture, to make sure it's to your satisfaction that it's not sinking. Right, I'm going to slam it into a 150 degree heated electric oven. Okay, and you should let that cook for...
I don't know that one.
You should let that cook for round about 40 minutes. Okay, so it might be a bit longer because I opened the oven for a little bit longer, not that long. So anyway, I'll know when if it's cooked or not. Right, so okay, so after 40 minutes, what you need to do to make sure it's done is put scallop skewers through, and if it's clean like this, then you turn the oven off, and you leave this in the baking thing in the Loaf tin for about 10 minutes to cool off. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the 10-minute timer to go, I'm gonna make some runny icing. Okay, so gonna put a few I'm gonna mix the icing sugar with some warm kettle water and keep mixing like so. Basically you just need this consistency for the icing. You need to add the icing to the warm kettle water until you get this consistency, and keep mixing as well. Right, so I've removed the loaf from the tin, and now I'm going to drizzle some of the runny ice across the cake. Okay. Right, so right, so this should act like glue for the banana chips I'm going to add, like so. So okay, that is your banana cake, also known as a banana loaf. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed that. Okay, so right, so please, if you liked this content, if you haven't already done so, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and also of course press that notification bell so you don't miss out on another video. And please do remember, if you want to learn to cook and have autism, or if you haven't got autism and still want to learn to cook, do remember, I have your back.